Welcome back, students. So in the electrochemistry chapter, the last lecture we have completed the concept of electrode potential and also standard electrode potential. In standard electrode potential, again we have studied two types of electrode potential, that is standard reduction potential and standard oxidation potential. Now we continue the concept of electrode potential only, and here we have the concept of an equation which was given by the scientist Nernst. Okay, that's why the equation is called as Nernst equation. Now what is the equation? Let us introduce with one sentence Nernst equation. It is an equation which will relate the electrode potential of the cell with the temperature and concentration of the species involved in the reaction in that particular cell. Okay, so once again let us understand or introduce the Nernst equation. That Nernst equation is the equation which will relate electrode potential with temperature and concentrations of the species involved in the process. So Nernst gave this equation, which is nothing but capital E is equal to capital E naught minus RT upon NF log to the base E square bracket reduced state upon oxidized state for the species involved in the reaction. So here we come to know that the equation is relating electrode potential E with temperature capital T and also the concentration terms. ये स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट यहाँ पे क्या है? स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट मतलब क्या? स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट मतलब concentration term, molar concentration terms, okay, of the reduced state of the chemical species and oxidized state of the chemical species. So this equation very important. Okay, in examination they can ask you to write down the Nernst equation and explain the terms which are involved in this equation. So meaning of each term you should know. That capital E means electrode potential, E naught means standard electrode potential, R gas constant, T absolute temperature, N number of electrons involved in the reaction, F capital F means Faraday, very important. Okay, that will go in detail in the coming concept. And log to the base E, reduced state of the chemical species upon oxidized state in their concentration form. Square bracket means concentration terms. Now let us understand this equation with a general example here. You consider an electrode reaction, okay, and this electrode reaction is a reaction for reduction process. As you can see, a metal is shown here having valency, okay, any valency +2 +3. So same number of electrons it will accept and it will get reduced, okay, and get deposited in the form of solid. Considering this reaction, how you can write the Nernst equation for this reaction, okay, which is written here. So now since the reaction is reduction reaction, now we are going to name this particular term as reduction potential of the electrode. So reduction potential is written like this, that is oxidized state converted to N, means getting reduced. So reduction potential concentration of the product term upon concentration of the reactant term. Square bracket means concentration. Then if we substitute all the values, okay, at standard conditions, if you substitute the values of R, T, okay, F, okay, these values already we have, can refer the notes. For example, standard condition, now the values for R, gas constant 8.314, कितना है 8.314. T, absolute temperature 273 Kelvin multiplied by 273 Kelvin upon F, Faraday. Faraday is nothing but charge flowing through the electrical circuit, and 1 Faraday is equal to, okay, 1 Faraday is equal to 96500. 1 Faraday is equal to 1 Faraday will be equal to 96500 coulombs. So if these values are substituted here, so we get this equation same, okay, this also will remain same, and this particular value after substituting you get this equation, that is minus 0.059 upon n, okay, and then log to the base 10, 1 upon molar concentration of oxidized state of the species, because concentration of species in solid state, okay, it is taken as 0, okay, so directly you have to write down 1 there, or concentration term for any solid you can write as unity. So you write down the 1 upon Mn plus. So this is a very simplified form of Nernst equation, as you can see, simplified form of the Nernst equation. So here we have, if this is the Nernst equation simplified form, then one numerical already I have sent in my notes. It is a small numerical from the text which will easily explain you about this particular equation. Okay, after reading the question you will come to know that all the values are given and whichever values they are asking. For example, you have to calculate electrode potential or standard electrode potential, or okay, number of electrons, whatever. Any parameter if they are asking, that one numerical will explain you. Okay, because similar type of numerical already we have solved in our earlier lecture. So that will help you to understand. If not, okay, we can solve some more numericals. Now the next concept coming up here, equilibrium constant from the Nernst equation. So very important concept now. Dear students, equilibrium constant Kc, capital Kc. Okay, this particular concept of equilibrium constant for any reversible reaction or the reaction which is attaining equilibrium, already we have studied in the 11th standard. So this is a time to recollect from this lecture, okay, what we have studied. So let's start to get the relation between equilibrium constant from Nernst equation. So you consider chemical reaction, a general reaction which attains equilibrium after some time, and you also know how to write down the equation for the equilibrium constant K if the concentration terms are involved for this reaction. So how we will write now? Kc is equal to product of molar concentration of the products. See, product means multiplication, correct? So product of molar concentration is This or this also you can compare, no problem. So where we have written the molar concentration of the product, molar concentration of the reactant. Okay. So if this value of molar concentration of product upon reactant, if you relate to the Nernst equation here, okay, then you can write down, okay, this particular equation in the form like this. Okay, and very important condition here, that at equilibrium, in this equation, at equilibrium, this particular part, electrode potential is taken as 0. Electrode potential or E cell is taken as 0. So you substitute 0. Okay, substitute 0 in this equation. So this part becomes 0. Okay, minus 2.303. What? From where you got 2.303? That also we have studied in 11th standard. Log to the base E, when it is converted to log to the base 10, you multiply by 2.303. That equation. So you will get first this step and then rearranging. आप rearrange कीजिए equation को. After rearranging and substituting the values of, okay, R, T, F, है ना, जैसे यहाँ पे substitute किए थे और ये value हमको मिला. So you will get finally after multiplying with 2.303 and this value you will get 0.059 upon n log to the base 10, okay, Kc. Okay, because now this complete term here or this term here will be nothing but Kc according to this particular concept. Again, rearranging in the final step, if you are asked to calculate equilibrium constant for the reaction Kc, then you rearrange the term Kc is equal to, okay, antilog of rearranging n E naught cell upon 0.059. Okay, so this way you calculate the Kc for any equation. Okay, and how to calculate E naught cell also you know. Standard potential for the cell, that you know, formula you know, we have studied in the last lecture. E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. तो आपको ये वैल्यू मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे. नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स n कहाँ से मिलेंगे? You write down the reaction involved in the particular example. कौन सा आपको रिएक्शन दिया है क्वेश्चन में, so you write down the reaction, number of electrons आपको वहाँ से मिल जाएंगे. Okay, then you divide and get this value and take the antilog of that particular value, and finally you will get the answer for Kc, which is nothing but equilibrium constant for the reaction, okay, involving the concentration of the particular species which are involved in the reaction. So this particular concept, today's concept, okay, Nernst equation, okay, and its relation between equilibrium constant Kc. Okay, so they can ask you to derive the relationship between Kc, okay, and standard potential of the cell. So you have to start from this part, which will give you the answer. Okay, so today we have covered the Nernst equation we have wrote first, and then a general reaction we considered here. Then we got the simplest form of the Nernst equation, which helped us to get the equation for Kc, that is the equilibrium constant for a reversible reaction, okay, or reaction which is attaining equilibrium. Okay, so this particular numerical for Nernst equation, please go through this numerical and practice, write and practice properly, so that you will understand how to solve the numerical for Nernst equation. Because from the chapter in board examination compulsorily they are asking the numerical based on calculation of standard cell potential directly from the given cell representation, okay, that we have seen in our last lecture, or they can ask you to calculate the standard potential of the cell or equilibrium constant using Nernst equation. Okay, so dear students, this is the lecture for today. Understand the concept, okay, go through the notes and understand the explanation properly. So the next from the very next week, that is from Monday, we have a very important practice for our online lecture, that is you are going to receive the PDF for any topic, okay, you will receive the PDF also and video also for that PDF which is sent to you, okay, PDF as well as the video for the PDF you are going to receive on the same day. So Monday, whatever PDF you will receive in the morning, okay, for that PDF immediately you will get the video also, okay, explanation for that particular concept. So this way we can just, okay, smoothly continue with our syllabus and try to complete the syllabus. Okay, so for you it's very important to maintain the notes. Don't keep your work pending, okay, because as you know that at the completion of the chapter immediately you have to submit the notes, okay, so keep practice of writing the notes whenever I send the PDF, okay, keep your notes ready for submission. So that's all for today, and have a nice day, take care. Thanks for today, thanks.